To oversleep. To oversleep. Kuryamira. Kuryamira cyangwa se kuryama cyane ukarenza igihe gisanzwe. Examples: I overslept last night. I overslept last night. Ijoro ryakeye naryamiriye. She overslept today. She overslept today. Uyu munsi yaryamiriye. Don't oversleep. Don't oversleep. Nturyamire. Don't oversleep. Don't oversleep. Nturyamire. Hello to everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn more phrasal verbs that are most useful in English. Uyu munsi hano tugiye kwiga phrasal verbs zikunda gukoreshwa mu rurimi rw'Icyongereza. Niba utarakora subscribe, like, share na comment, ikore nonaha mbere yuko dutangira. Niba wifuza igitabo, twandikire kuri WhatsApp number ubonaho hasi muri screen yawe, cyangwa se niba wifuza yuko twagukurikirana by'umwihariko, nabwo twandikire dutangire tugukurikirane. To overfeed. To overfeed. Kugaburira byinshi cyane birenze. Kugaburira umuntu akagwa ivuto. Examples: don't overfeed the baby, she's getting too fat. Don't overfeed the baby, she's getting too fat. I think I've overfed my dog yesterday. I think I overfed my dog yesterday. Ntekereza ko nagaburiye imbwa yanjye birenze. You shouldn't overfeed your visitors. You shouldn't overfeed your visitors. Ntukwiye kugaburira birenze abashyitsi bawe. To overcook. To overcook. Guteka byinshi cyane birenze ibikenewe. Examples: I overcooked the rice. I overcooked the rice. Natetse umuceri mwinshi. Don't overcook the vegetables. Don't overcook the vegetables. Ntuteke imboga nyinshi. She overcooked food. She overcooked food. Yatetse ibiryo byinshi. To overdo. To overdo. Gukora birenze. Gukora cyane birenze ubusanzwe. Examples: don't overdo. Rest is important. Don't overdo. Rest is important. Ntukore birenze, kuruhuka ni ingenzi. She overdid her job, then she's so tired. She overdid her job, then she's so tired. Yakoze akazi ke birenze, none arananiwe cyane. The next verb is to overcome. To overcome. Gutsinda cyangwa se kurenga ikibazo, kwikura mu kibazo. Icyo gihe ukoze to overcome. Examples: she overcame her temptation. She overcame her temptation. Yatsinze ikigeragezo cye. Attention. We must overcome these obstacles together. We must overcome these obstacles together. Tugomba gutsinda izi mbogamizi twese hamwe. He finally overcame his illness. He finally overcame his illness. Amaherezo yavuye mu bugwayi bwe. To overeat. To overeat. Kurya birenze urugero. Kurya byinshi cyane ukarenza urugero. Examples: he tends to overeat during holidays. He tends to overeat during holidays. Akunda kurya birenze urugero mu minsi y'ibiruhuko. Don't overeat if you want to stay healthy. Don't overeat if you want to stay healthy. Ntukwiriye kurya birenze urugero niba ushaka kugira ubuzima bwiza. I overate at the party last night. I overate at the party last night. Nariye birenze urugero mu kirori cyo mu ijoro ryakeye. To overthink. To overthink. Gutekereza cyane. Bishobora no gutera ubugwayi bwo mu mutwe nka stress, kubura ibitotsi biterwa no gutekereza cyane. Icyo gihe uba watondaguye inshinga to overthink. Examples: stop overthinking, it's gonna be alright. Stop overthinking, it's gonna be alright. Rekeraho gutekereza cyane, biraza kumera neza. To overthink can cause mental problems. To overthink can cause mental problems. Gutekereza cyane bishobora guteza ibibazo byo mu mutwe. To overgo. To overgo. Kujya kure. The children overwent far from here. The children overwent far from here. Abana bagiye kure ya hano. To overpay. To overpay. Kwishura menshi arenze. Examples: I think I overpaid for this car. I think I overpaid for this car. Ntekereza ko nishyuye menshi kuri iyi modoka. Don't overpay for unnecessary services. Don't overpay for unnecessary services. Ntukwiye kwishura menshi kuri serivisi zitari ngombwa. Ntukwiye kwishura menshi kuri serivisi zitari ngombwa. They overpaid the shopkeeper. Bishyuye birenze umucuruzi. Mu yandi magambo, bishyuye menshi umucuruzi. Shop ni iduka, shopkeeper ni umucuruzi ucururiza mu iduka. Inshinga ikurikiye ni to overcharge. To overcharge, guhenda cyangwa se kwishyuza menshi. Examples: they overcharged me. They overcharged me. Bampenze cyangwa se banyishuje menshi. They overcharged me. A shopkeeper overcharges his customers. A shopkeeper overcharges his customers. Umucuruzi ahenda abakiriya be cyangwa se abishyuza menshi. They overcharge on new fashion. They overcharge on new fashion. Bahenda ku myambaro igezweho. To oversell. To oversell. Kugurisha byinshi cyane birenze. Today I oversold. Today I oversold. Uyu munsi nagurishije cyane. They oversold all things in the shop. They oversold all things. Bagurishije cyane birenze ibintu byose. To oversee. To oversee. Kugenzura ibikorwa. Examples: she oversees the project. She oversees the project carefully. She oversees the project carefully. Agenzura umushinga neza yitonze. He was hired to oversee the construction. 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 Yahawe akazi kugira ngo agenzure ibikorwa by'ubwubatsi. The manager oversees daily operations. The manager oversees daily operations. Umuyobozi agenzura imirimo ya buri munsi. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share and comment.